took you by the horns with their hands of clay. I was dying to get born, so I ran away. You were waiting like a statue, painted white with a needle of a dream that would feed you light, and the fear it was heavy, but the speed was steady, and the devil felt holy, and the heavenly host felt lonely. The demon spoke in whispers. You swallowed all your prayers. You knew they could not save you. Whoa! They will take you at their word as they self-proclaim, hunting shadows by the herd. As they rape your name, I will keep your vision here. I will keep it safe. I will hide it in the ground till you stake your claim. But the fear is too heavy, and my spirit's not ready, and the devil sounds holy as the heavenly host just turns its face. They threw you in the furnace with rifles made of bone. I heard you had your vengeance.